Okay, I'm going to go through Steel Mace Woodchops. For this, you want to be standing sideways onto your tyre. With an upward thumb grip, the mace head is going to be furthest away from the tyre. And what we want to do is bring the mace up high, and as we do, we want to rotate the hips round, slide the lead hand part way down the mace handle, and then make contact with the tyre. Watch out for the bounce. So we go up, past the shoulder, rotate the hips, slide and slam. Up, rotate, slide and slam. Now if you have a tyre like mine that moves when you hit it, use that to your advantage. Try and hit it for a certain distance, because if you hit it gently, it doesn't really move. You've really got to put some power into it and keep going. From that for the number of distance, time, or reps prescribed in your program. Now you may be fortunate enough to be around a tyre or have the ability to prop the tyre up, so you can do higher wood chops. It's still the same principle, but instead of going low, so you just want to aim a little bit higher and watch the bounce, because it'll be bounce and catch, bounce and catch, bounce and catch. Good. Have fun with that.